seem to have a nice community, a nice little community here, and we all get on well, and everybody's so lovely.
Yeah, definitely.
Everybody's so accommodating with each other, and it's a nice place to live.
We're all on the same page and all very, very friendly, all from different walks of life. Some of us brought out little dogs and cats, and that was sort of allowed through the strata, and it's very, very friendly. Yeah, it's lovely. We're having happy hours, and
I just now wish maybe we'd done it a few years earlier, because it is perfect.